I call this video the only tonality that you need to master. In reality, there is a lot of different tonalities that you need to master, but I think and believe that this is the main one, at least the main one that brought me the most amount of results. And the tonality is called the honest guy, like the tonality of honesty. Um, and you can't fake the tonality of honesty. In order to do the tonality of honesty, you need to be honest, or you need to be a very skillful actor that would play out the honesty tonality. The way for you to approach this tonality is imagine that you are giving an advice to the best friend of yours, or even you're giving an advice to yourself. You can put a hand on your chest and then start talking, imagining like you are not talking to the prospect, but you're talking to the best of yourself, and you're trying to give the best advice and the best possible thing that you would recommend to do in that situation. And that should bring you 90% of results. Like the rest 10% is going to be just you rehearsing, repeating, finding your own voice, and then it's going to be very easy for you to to jump into that tonality. But usually when you do it right, you're going to feel that the atmosphere on the call has shifted in the way that it became way warmer, way calmer. It's more decisive, it's more in control, and at the same time, it's a welcoming space that where you, because at the same time, when you're being honest, you usually show some kind of vulnerability in order to drive the maximum honesty, and this gives you a special kind of power. So in the same like it's very weird thing, and I hope that you're following what I'm saying, but if you are doing everything right, you should feel that you're opening up a certain thing, but because you're opening up, you're not becoming vulnerable, you're becoming more powerful in that end. And this powerfulness is really the most sexy thing that you can show to the prospect, and to get them to believe you, to understand you, and do the things that you do. Especially the best honesty tonality, like the best use of it that I had, is when you go and you, instead of selling the prospect why they should buy from you, you start selling them why they shouldn't buy and why this is like not a great idea. And believe me or not, in most of the cases, you're doing yourself a very big serving, because at the same time, if you're right that they shouldn't buy from you, then you shouldn't be like pushing them into buying. So because that's not gonna, like, those money, those commissions, it's not gonna do anything good for you. But at the same time, if you start selling somebody that they shouldn't buy and they oppose you, and now they are advocating for buying from you, it's like 10x into getting them over the line. So very simple tactic. Use it, do it. Web3 Sales Gym. All the links are below. We have a Web3 Sales Gym community on Telegram if you want to talk with the people, if you want to meet the people, if you want to talk with me. I'm going to leave my contacts in below. And if you have friends, like, just send them this video, please. Like, send this video. Please help me share the channel. We are approaching 800 subscribers, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe we're already over it. But anyway, the big goal is going to be 1,000. So help me to get to 1,000. That's going to be the best payment that you can do for watching this video and implementing this info. Thank you. See ya. Bye bye.